Welcome to InfiGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we are having one very interesting Diophantine equation, and equations are x plus y equal to z plus 8 and x square plus y square equal to z square plus 8. We have to find out all integer solutions. So let's get started by writing our equation as x plus y minus z equal to 8. And second equation I can write x square plus y square minus z square equal to 8. Now I will add both sides 2xy plus 2xy. So this side also I will write plus 2xy. Now if you will notice, from these three terms I can write it is one perfect square of x plus y minus z square. This will become 8 plus 2 times xy. Now difference of two squares formula is on. So I will add both the brackets x plus y plus z. In second bracket, I will write x plus y minus z. And right hand side is 8 plus 2 times xy. Now from equation number 1, x plus y minus z is 8. So I will write LHS as 8 times x plus y plus z equal to 8 plus 2xy. Now equation is divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2. So I will write 4 times x plus y plus z equal to 4 plus xy. Let me write here. 4 times x plus y plus z equal to 4 plus xy. Now from this equation, I can write z will be equal to x plus y minus 8. So let us put this value here. I will write 4 times x plus y plus x plus y minus 8 equal to 4 plus xy. So I can write further 2x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 4 plus xy. Now I will expand. I will write 8x plus 8y minus 32. This will be equal to 4 plus xy. Now take all the term to RHS. So I can write xy minus 8x minus 8y plus 36 equal to 0. Now I will add both sides 28. Why it is? Because of, see here, if I will take x common, then it will become y minus 8 in the bracket. Once I will add 28, then this will become minus 8y plus 64. Now I will take minus 8 common, it will be the same bracket, y minus 8. So I can write x times y minus 8, take minus 8 common, we'll get y minus 8 again equal to 28. So we can write factors as x minus 8 and y minus 8, and RHS will be 28. Now we will use this equation. Let me write here x minus 8 times y minus 8 equal to 28. Now we will use factorization of 28. So factors if I will write, then it will become 1 and 28. If I will take product of 2 and 14, then I will get 28. 4 and 7, then I will get 28. So both factors are positive. Now I will check, I will get 7, 4, 14, 2, 28, 1. So equations are symmetrical in x and y. So we will swap both the values. Now I will consider negative factors. So I will write minus 1, minus 28, minus 2, minus 14, and minus 4, minus 7. Then we will get product plus 28. So let me write all these combination and then we will prepare one chart. Let me write here. I will write x minus 8, y minus 8. Then we can write x, then we can write y. Then we will be writing x plus y and then we will write z. Let me write here. So I will begin with 128, then 2, 14, 4, 7. Negative factors, I will write minus 1, minus 28, minus 2, minus 14, and then minus 4, minus 7. Now we have to calculate x and y column. So from x minus 8, if I want to calculate x, I need to add 8 here. So I will write 1 plus 8, this will be 9, 2 plus 8, 10, 4 plus 8, 12, minus 1 plus 8, 7, minus 2 plus 8, 6, minus 4 plus 8, 4. Similarly, from the column y minus 8, if I will add here plus 8, then I will get to know the y column. So 28 plus 8, 36, 14 plus 8, 22, 7 plus 8, 15, minus 28 plus 8, minus 20, minus 14 plus 8, minus 6, and minus 7 plus 8, 1. Now x plus y, add simply both the columns. So 9 plus 36, 45, 10 plus 22, 32, 12 plus 15, 27, 7 minus 20, minus 13, 6 minus 6, 0, 5. Now from here we will be calculating z. So z will be equal to x plus y. Let me write here x plus y minus 8 from this equation. So I will take away 8 from this column, x plus y column. So let me subtract it. 45 minus 8. 45 minus 8 will be 37. Let me write here. 32 minus 8, 24. 27 minus 8, 19. Minus 13 minus 8, minus 22. 21 it will be. So I will write here minus 21. 0 minus 8, minus 8. 5 minus 8, minus 3. So here we are having ordered pair of x and y. Let me write here separately 936. Let me highlight first. It is 936 ordered pair. If I will write triplet, then it will be 37 also. Then 10, 22, 24. Then 12, 15, 19. Then 7, minus 20, minus 21. Ordered triplet 6, minus 6, minus 8, and 4, 1, and minus 3. Now let me write here. Let us write here x comma y comma z. I will be writing 936, 37. Then we have 10, 22, 24. Second ordered triplet 12, 15, 19. 7 minus 20 minus 21. Then 6, negative 6, negative 8. And then I will be writing 4, 1 and negative 3. Now I will swap x and y values for other 6 solutions. See, as equations were symmetrical with respect to x and y. Let me write here x minus 8 times y minus 8 equal to 28. So once I will swap x and y, equation will be as it is. So the other 6 solution, once I will swap these two values. So let me write the other 6 solutions. So it will be 36, 9, 37. Let me write here x comma y comma z. It will become 36, 9, 27. It is 37. Second ordered triplet is 22, 10, 24. Then 15, 12, 19. Then minus 20, 7 and minus 21. Then minus 6, 6 and minus 8. And last is 1 plus 1 comma 4 comma minus 3. So there are overall 12 solutions, 12 ordered triplet. And this brings the end of this video. I hope you will like this video. Friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.